Hello class, I hope you're doing really well today. You good? Okay, so today we have a theme of the week. So our theme of the week this week is insects and bugs. Ooh, do you like insects? What are insects? Can you name one insect? So there are many different types of insects. So first of all, we are going to talk about our sight. When we see things, what part of our body do we see things with? Do you remember? Do we see things with our hands? No. Do we see things with our ears? No. Do we see things with our eyes? Yes, good. We see things with our eyes. And our for our Monday's class is sight. We are going to see what things we see when we talk about insects. So I have my sensory box today and I'm going to look through it and see what I can find. Oh, I have, what's this? Oopsie, it's like a bug. I have a bumblebee. So I have like a ladybird, a bumblebee, and I have, what's this? It's a butterfly. Good. So, in my sensory box, we have these. These are different types of insects that we see. So, we see insects that fly sometimes. We see bumblebees. Here we have another insect that flies. So, we see different types of insects, but we see flying insects, and sometimes we don't see flying insects. So when they fly, they have wings. Can you say wings? Wings. So we see insects with wings. Let's put that up here. Okay, same with a butterfly. We also see bugs with no legs when they are flying, but sometimes they can have legs when they land on the ground. So we have to be careful what we see. This is kind of a ladybug, a ladybug or a insect. We sometimes see insects with lots and lots of legs, like our spider. I have a photo here on my computer of a better one, of a spider. Yes, so we see insects with different amount of legs. So a spider has 8 legs. Let's make sure and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Has 8 legs. So we see insects with 8 with different legs, with different amount of legs, with 8 legs. Sometimes we see insects with no legs. So it depends what type of insect you see. So spiders have 8 legs. A ladybird probably has 6. However, like there we go. Maybe like this bug, these types of bugs that fly do not have legs. They do not have legs. Butterflies do not have legs. So it depends what type of butterfly, what type of insect you see. Okay. So I also have here, this is a ladybug. It's a little bit better, that's a ladybug. What color is a ladybug? A ladybird is red and white. Wow, it's pretty. Yes, let's see what other insects I have to show you. There we go. I have, this is a different type of insects. So here we have a grasshopper. Can you see a grasshopper? So a grasshopper has different types of legs. So we also, more than we see the amount of legs, we also see different shapes and different ways legs are formed. Look at the grasshopper, they have different legs. This is a worm. A worm has no legs. Ooh, they have no legs. So how do they walk? They slip and slide. Let me see, I also have an ant and a beetle to show you. And these are types of insects that we see, that we can see every day. There's an ant. An ant we can see many, many times a day outside. And same with a beetle. We can see them many, many times outside. So maybe you guys can tell me what insects you see. Maybe with their names, maybe you see different ones where you are. Okay, let's go back to my sensory box. Okay, so here I have all different colors. I have green, I have red, I have orange, I have black, I have brown, I have blue, I have yellow. So why do I have so many colors? Why do I have so many colors? So when we see insects, we have no color for insects. Insects come in many, many different colors. So they come in different colors, they come in different shapes. When we see them, we see what color they correspond to. For example, when we see a bumblebee is yellow and black. But when we see a spider can be brown and black, or just brown or just black, or sometimes they can be see-through. So when we see a butterfly comes in so many colors. So we see many colors when we see bugs and insects. Maybe you guys can go with a magnifying glass and search outside. That would be beautiful, and maybe you can find and take a photo of an insect that you see. So we have seen insects that have no legs, a lot of legs, not many legs. We have seen many different color insects. We also see insects that fly, insects that crawl. Oh, that creepy crawl on the floor. We have seen lots and lots of insects. Sometimes, the last thing I'm going to tell you is that some insects have a certain thing. For example, spiders throw and they make a web. They make a web. Have you ever seen a web, a spider web? No? Well, I have. It's a lot. The webs are amazing. Sometimes we have bugs that when you see them, they can bite. Ooh, so those are our types of insects that we are going to be doing for this week. So maybe you guys can go and see what type of insects you see, and maybe take a photo and tell me about the insects and the bugs and the creepy crawlies that you see. Okay, well, thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.